Hi everyone, I hope you all. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you to each and every single one of you for everything that you do. Please like this video, please subscribe to the channel, and please share the content as well. Thank you, and get involved in all the communities. So right now, look at this for XRP. It's hugging this trend line, isn't it? Look at this. It's you know, refusing to drop out of it at the moment. So is some kind of break coming at the moment? We have got a bit of a divergence here forming. Okay, look at this. You've got higher lows in the RSI and you're getting lower lows in the price action. So there is a small divergence that's beginning to form just here. Okay, you see that? And equally, just there, you have got a bit of a slight divergence as well between this close and that close just there. Okay, and this close just here and here. There's a slight hidden bullish divergence just there. Very mild, very mild. Okay, but just here we're putting in these higher lows and these lower lows, so that's a divergence in itself. Okay, that's a normal bullish divergence just there, and just here we've got a beautiful little hidden little bullish divergence there as well, you know. So this is something's going to give, and you can see that you're coming down on this support right now for XRP. Okay, and with that, if you start to break out here, you've got your bottom in. Okay, not only that, take a look at the move phases just here. Okay, look at this. Look at this move phase for XRP. Okay, pretty much like this one. You came down in this ABC in September. You started to lowball out and you come up, relief rally, came back down, high lows, and you create that beautiful double bottom. And halfway through the pump moon, this is where you broke out and put that new impulsive break. Okay, and you do exactly the same here. You've come down and you on the pump moon, you've started to come up, and you're now forming a beautiful double bottom structure here, some kind of reversal pattern holding the key level support with a bullish divergence. So there is some kind of break that's going to come, you know. And like I said to you, look how close we're getting to this apex right now for XRP. I have seen a lot of people commenting we're going to 20 cents and that's it, we're in a bear market and things like that, but I want to assure you I'm not seeing any indicators of that at the moment. Okay, and all eyes on Bitcoin, because you know that if Bitcoin rolls and goes for a deeper correction, then it will drag XRP down with it. But for me, you're in a bullish continuation pattern here for XRP, and you're missing a final wave, a final fifth wave for me, which takes you to 455 and beyond. And right now you are an impulsive leg to 455. Okay, and you're in a bullish continuation horizontal pattern, which you have been in the past. Look, this was a horizontal, broke out, see you later. Here, horizontal, broke out, see you later. And then even in the previous bull run, all this, you know, slop sideways, high highs, high lows, lower highs, sorry, consolidating in a range, got your break, see you later, and that huge parabolic run there for XRP, you know. So one thing I'm looking at here for XRP, and it's not necessarily come this cycle already, is the pi cycle top indicator. Okay, so I'm looking at this, and I'm looking for this orange line here to cross this green line, and that for me would be a sell signal for me for XRP. Okay, so I'm looking for it, and I do think we're going to get it in this cycle. I do, because we usually get it. It did actually put in 2 in the previous cycle, okay, and we've not had 1 yet. So this is because obviously XRP has not gone super parabolic, but at one point when it does, and we do get the green line crossing the orange line, you can see how absolutely on the money that was. Okay, so you can see in this entire cycle we've not had that yet. So this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for this orange line to start coming up, and then this green line going like that, and then it crosses, and boom, I'm out. I'm exiting for XRP. So we've not got that yet. Okay, so you'll see me say, right, sell signal. There you go, guys. See you later. Off to the beach, basically. You know, so we're not getting that at the moment. And one other thing I want to show you, whilst I've got your attention, is the crypto greed and fear index at 32. Always an optimal entry point. So that's a big tick. And then there's this indicator here, which, you know, I need to give credit to Crypto Love, is a YouTuber, and he dropped this in today. I do like this indicator, to be honest with you. It uses 11 metrics to give a valuation of how confident it is that the top is in, or the bottom. As you can see in the bottom, this is a massive, huge indicator. I'm going to watch this going forward. I've never even heard about this. I think this is absolutely ingenious, because look at how good it was at calling the bear market bottoms down there, confidence 2 of the bottom. So if it's at 100 or 99, that's a maximum, it's calling the top. And if it's at 0 or 1 or 2, then you are really in the floor. And right now you can see that Bitcoin is currently sitting at 59, so it's absolutely no way near a cycle peak. Okay, so you can see how much room we've got to go. Just because it's saying we're not on a cycle peak doesn't necessarily mean we can't roll over and go into a correction or anything like that, you know. But for me, we're nowhere near a cycle peak, so I'm looking at this chart and I'm looking for this 99. Okay, because just look at that 100, actually that actually hit 100 just there, I think it was. Let's get on that. That's quite difficult. And that was just, around about 19,479 for Bitcoin. This would be amazing if someone can take this and design it for XRP. How good would that be? If we've got any sort of coders out there that can look at this and create it for XRP, would be absolutely amazing. If you can, get on it. And I'll link to you and cover you every day in the channel if you can create this kind of metric for XRP as well. So I mean, it's a great little indicator, isn't it? So let's keep an eye on this moving forward. It's currently at 59, and you can see if we get all the way to the 100 that we know we're near a cycle peak yet. So this is why this is good for me to look at, because I've got forecasts for Bitcoin of 260k, and this just confirms we're actually nowhere near that particular projection. Obviously not in the price action, but how much room we've got to grow here. I mean, even this correction that we put in May, we only got up all the way up to around about 76, so we still have more leg room there. You can see that this previous cycle as well in 2013, which a lot of people sort of think that is a very similar cycle, could be, we could be looking for this parabolic blow off top here for Bitcoin and the crypto markets. Once we break out this low resistance, even here we're putting this high, we've just put in a brand new high, and we're not even near that confidence peak there that we put in April. So it just goes to show just how much room we have actually got to grow in this market, doesn't it? So this is why I'm still really bullish on crypto, and I do think we're looking at potentially a good few months here for crypto. Could be completely wrong, we could roll into the bear, absolutely. There's no crystal ball here, but we are on a huge horizontal for XRP. It is holding key levels of support. We've got the fear and greed index is in the floor, the RSI is in the floor. When everything's in the floor, you buy more, basically, don't you? Again, nothing I say is financial advice. So I'll drop a link to Crypto Love for bringing this particular indicator to my attention. I really like this indicator. I will keep an eye on it going forward. I'll drop a link to this indicator as well for you. Just take a look at his channel and say CoinsKid sent me. Thank you very much. Take care, everyone. Back soon with another update on XRP. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.